Okay, and in this third and final video to talk about creating P&ID drawings is Google Slides. So I wanted to show you Google Slides. Really, it is no different than PowerPoint, but I just wanted to show it to you. So again, if you do not have PowerPoint, you should have access to Google Slides since it's free with a Google account. If you don't have a Google account, then you, of course, could create one. So I'm going to open up the Green Dolphin um, template. Even though I made it in PowerPoint, it does open up in Google Slides. And if you watch the first video with Google showing PowerPoint, you'll see that everything here is exactly the same. All right, so I got my title slide, my symbol library, my bill of material, my sample P&ID diagram that I created, and the sample electrical control diagram that I created. And the same rules apply that I showed earlier. So if I were to right click on one of these slides, I have a duplicate slide option available to me. So now I just duplicated my title slide. I can right click and I can say delete, and that'll delete that slide. If I wanted to grab an item from the symbol library, I could again right click on it and say copy. And then when I come to my P&ID drawing, I can right click and say paste. And now I have my my item here. I can create lines just like I did in PowerPoint. They're just a little bit different orientation up here on the menu bar. So I could see I've got my shapes here, which are my various shapes. They look exactly like they did in PowerPoint as far as the boxes and the polygons and whatnot, arrows, callouts, etc. And then here are my lines. So I can draw lines, arrows, etc. So if I want to draw a line, I can just draw my line from there, come back here, take another line, draw across. Oops, in that case, didn't quite work how I wanted it to. Draw a second line from here to here. Okay. And then if I wanted to make that a dashed line or a different color line, I have these two options right here. So line color or line width, which would be kind of how bold it is. And then the final option was right here is if I want to make it solid or dashed. Okay. So that's going to be, again, so everything else in here is exactly the same as how I did it in PowerPoint, just kind of learning the difference, kind of different layout of all the tools. All right. And I'm going to turn this video off, but good luck. If you have any questions, please let me know.